So you know I love doodling, and you know I love using colour. And if you follow me over on Instagram, then you've seen plenty of my doodles before, and of course a few of them turn up here as well. And I thought that this week I would actually work with watercolour and have that as my background. So I'm just going to keep it very simple and some simple mark making, because I think we kind of need a bit of simple at the moment. I know I really need a little bit of simple at the moment. January's proving to be quite complex for me. So I thought something more relaxed, and I did promise you some more of these relaxed pieces, so here's another one for you. So I hope you enjoy watching it grow. playing with coloured ballpoint pens over a watercolour background is just, I really like that. I really like the way that ballpoint pens make their marks, and the kind of colours that you can get as well in them is quite versatile, so it's quite handy when you're doing a watercolour piece like this to then mark over the top. I like pen work. I think that's one of my things. I enjoy doing pen work. So I kept it quite loose. I kept the pattern quite loose, the doodle quite loose, and I really let it grow organically, so I wasn't planning it at all, from doing the watercolour background to doing the doodling over the top. I just had some fun and see where it kind of led me. And I think if you're stuck, if you're having a bit of one of those sort of moments where you're not really sure where you want to go, keeping it really simple like this can be a great way of kick-starting back into something more complex if you want to, or just keep on making simple things. Now, originally I had thought that this would actually go a little bit more complex. I thought that maybe it would be a layered piece with the watercolour, then a layer of the different coloured ballpoint pens, and then maybe some black line work over the top. But then once I started putting the coloured ballpoint pens down, I didn't think it needed the black liner over the top, particularly as you've got that really dark indigo blue watercolour there. I think that a black line marker would probably jar too much with that maybe. So I just kept it with the ballpoint pens and those colours. And this is one of those pieces that you could probably do in batches quite happily. Do a load of watercolour backgrounds or acrylic backgrounds or even gouache backgrounds, and then let them dry and then work with them with the pen work later. So you could even have a stack of them ready to go. And you know, I love that kind of thing, having a stack of pieces to work on. And they make really great warm-up exercises as well as pieces in their own right. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found that relaxing and you're ready to do some more creating with me. Thanks for joining me today, and have fun with your creating.